The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multi-role fighters. The fifth-generation combat aircraft is designed to perform ground attack and air superiority missions. It has three main models. The F-35A conventional takeoff and landing CTOL variant, the F-35G short takeoff and vertical landing STOVL variant, and the F-35C carrier-based catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery CATOBAR variant. On 31st July 2015, the United States Marines declared ready for deployment the first squadron of F-35B fighters after intensive testing. On 2nd August 2016, the U.S. Air Force declared its first squadron of F-35A fighters combat ready. The F-35 descends from the X-35, the winning design of the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program. An aerospace industry team led by Lockheed Martin designed and manufactures it. Other major F-35 industry partners include Northrop Grumman, Pratt & Whitney and BAE Systems.